Left side. Hopefully I don't have to change that tube. It's a pain in the ass. Yeah. Oh, that's lower. I'm going right in great. I hate earbuds and helmet. You'd think full face would hold them in. It kind of holds them out. Next song. That was gross. This dirt is so soft. So, that was gross. Alright, so this is gonna preface a video made by a fucking a dipshit. Let's restart that actually. No, fuck it, running it. Alright, so I am Dakota. This is my YouTube channel. I don't know how to film. So the next probably 20-30 minutes of your life is you're gonna get motion sickness. You're gonna hate your life. I'm gonna take it out on the streets. I'm gonna figure out the chest cam. We're gonna figure it the fuck out. Cause straight at the ground is not the way to go. Alright, now I'm gonna address some elephants. This is not a filter. I shot myself in the face. Or this is just a fucking senior prank because I dropped out. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I shot myself in the face, though. So they took bone grafts out of my legs. Right, so this down here, that's my right shin leg bone area. Supposedly there's a spare one. How spare is it if it's in your body? I don't know. This area up here, that's my my left bone graft. It was less invasive on the leg, but they hit a nerve. So that foot is kind of dead. I mean, like, I have movement of it, but I go to start moving it, and then I aggravate the fact that I jumped out of a 2009 Ford Fusion. Shout out to these nuts. And I jumped out the window. I was in a parking lot. It was parked. I wanted to see how fast I could do it, so I just jumped out the fucking window. I broke my foot. I got out fast, but I broke my foot. Unfortunate. Life goes on. But I'll show you the graft site so you understand 24 years old and this BMX shit. It's fucking wild out here. Let's see, is that in frame? Probably. This is a big old fucking chunk out of my leg. From here to here. The scar goes all the way up to here, though. Wonderful. This other side, it's a lot less noticeable. Oh yeah, maybe if it's not in the fucking shadow, you dunce. Yeah, you can't really tell, but it's a dead fucking foot. It's not like, don't get me wrong, fucking Julian Mendoza's gonna fucking find my shit and be like, oh, you fucking pussy. I should've got both your fucking legs and you can't even fucking do a tail whip. God, I fucking love that, man. One-legged fucking... Alright, going into the bike check. Bike check. Alright, this is a Facebook marketplace. The frame is a DK. It's been fucking loved on, you know, that sticker bomb. That I didn't do all of this. I did this Odyssey sticker, And I'll show you on the other side when I flip it. I'll just fucking show you now. And that officialduckstudios.merch, ODS Studios. Go check out their fucking YouTube channel. My subscriptions are all public. Get yourself some high quality merch. Anyway, back on to the check. Alright, so it's sticker bombed. It's got this on here. What is this? It's a fit light cone top tube. Yeah, sure. This wonderfully fucked up brake handle is off of a 2020 Stranger Cruise V2. Yeah. That was one part. I got this gyro. It's got fit frame, fit Byteco bars on it. Where the fuck does it say fit Byteco? God damn it! It used to say it. I don't know what the hell happened here. Yeah. I put bar pads and top tube pads on here because, yeah. This bike came equipped with a Rampage by STLN. I had to repaint the forks because they're kind of chazzed up like a fucking dirty banger. But these are alright, except you can't tighten them all the way. This front one, I mean, this is the nicest front wheel I've had, honestly, other than just brand new ones. But it's not great. We got just the standard Colt tires on here. Let's see, where is the they're 20 by 2 point. Holy shit, did that really say 2.1? Oh my god, I thought that these were 2.25. No wonder they felt so different going from the 2.4s on my other bike. Well, I like these. Don't get me wrong. Two 4s are nice. You know, there's nothing wrong with some 2.4s, but these 2.1s, precision. Alright, so let's run on to the we got some standard DK pedals. Let you focus, hooker. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that these are in fact the standard fucking cranks that came on this. I couldn't fucking tell you what frame it is. It's got stickers on it. This is not the original back wheel that came on the bike. I have a Sunday seat to like a 2-inch kink post. I fucking hate it. Whoever put this 2-inch kink post on here, quit measuring plastic. You need to get a fucking life. I got this gyro, Bob's Bicycle, Boise, Idaho. This bike had the little gyro piece on the head tube, on the stem area. So I was like, oh fuck it, okay, we ain't gonna be brakeless no more, you know what I'm saying? I got whatever the hell this sprocket is. It kinda reminds me of the X-Man sprocket I have that I never put on anything. Let's see if we can get in here a little better. You know, light would have been nice. I can see a logo. Can you see that logo right there? That beautiful, whatever the fuck that is, I have no idea. Anyways, this is just at least I'm pretty sure it's just a standard full link. It does have either a repair or a master link, and I'm gonna go on a limb and say that that's a master, because I don't know why you would only repair one fucking link. I mean, I guess if that's all that fucking broke. But the only time I've ever had a chain repaired, it needed like 7.5 links. Alright, on to, this also. No, this is new. That's new. I thought yeah, that's new. Bob's Bicycle, Boise, Idaho, Fairview location. It's the only fucking location, you stupid fuck. Alright, this also came from them over at the Bob's. It's the Odyssey PAR. I would say that out loud as one word, but I got a fucking half tongue, so. Did I tell you I shot myself in the face and that's why I look like a fucking retard? There's a right there. Right there. Caught. Right there. Caught. Right there. I had an issue where the brake was rubbing yesterday, and now I can't get it to do triple cranks anymore. Not that I can land it. I can land a regular crank. But, yeah, so that concludes the bike shop. I'll show you the seat. I didn't actually show you the seat. I just told you what it was. Which I'm pretty sure this is a Sunday. No, it's stolen because I'm fucking retarded. But yeah, it's got a 2.5 inch or 2-inch kink post, and that shit's garbage. But also, just in case anybody gives half a dick, I picked this Mamma Jamma up on Marketplace as well. I put that up there because I like to know where my nose is. It's a Death Wish. The front truck is those are loose. So yeah, I gotta get a fucking screwdriver and a little wrench I'm gonna do. Unless I mean pliers, because I ain't got no fucking tools around this yonder. Alright. Oh yeah, we got those ODIs. I got a pair of purple Vans. Standard Vans on deck though, waiting for these to fucking tear a hole. They're feeling kind of thin sometimes when I don't wear gloves, but that's yeah, that's fucking hate dirt. Damn. If I don't take my hands off of the bars on wood number 4, I'm a bitch. Ah, fucking hoe. Oh. I don't think we know how to spell though. That's you. Shitty manual. Oh, cool. Literally right where I wanted to be. Big old fucking puddle. Word. That's alright right there. I haven't been here in so long. I hurt my foot. Oh, 180 out of that. Yeah, that's it, we're done.